Hello guys, let's get ready to nature. Yes, welcome again Chiefs. I was just out here walking in the nature today and I thought I would introduce you guys to these really special friends of mine, what I found. Guys, these ones here, they are called crows, or to give them their real name, field dogs. And the reason for that name, guys, is because they are actually living out here in the field. They are living here, and part of the reason for that is actually because if we look at them closely, we will notice that they are actually quite a lot bigger than regular dogs, aren't they? They are definitely quite a lot bigger. So they are actually a bit too big to be living at a house with the humans like other dogs. So that's why they are living out here in the field. But anyway guys, let's go and have a look at some of them now. Yes, they're really pretty interesting to watch, aren't they, Nature Chiefs? Look at them, they are just looking at us, aren't they? Hello friends. I think they also find us quite interesting, don't they, Nature Chiefs? And Nature Chiefs, another interesting thing about these two guys is that if we look closely, we can see that they are actually not the same color, are they? One of them is like a black-white combination color, and the other one is like a kind of brown color, isn't it? So that's pretty interesting. This is a stick here, and if we just stick it in like this, push stick, field dogs actually like to eat this one, grass. And we can see, if we look at all these guys, that they are eating grass, aren't they? But you might be wondering, Nature Chiefs, why do they like to eat grass? I mean, I've tried grass before. It's really not that delicious, is it? So I thought maybe we can try actually giving them something a bit more delicious today. Yes guys, I brought with me this one, some toffee popcorn. So let's try giving that to the girls and see what they think about that. You friend, would you like, I've got you some toffee popcorn. Hello, would you like to try some toffee popcorn? Hello there mate, you want to try some of this, don't you? Toffee popcorn, I've got some for you. Some toffee popcorn for you on the floor there. You can eat that if you want, it's very nice. For some reason the field dogs don't really seem very keen on toffee popcorn. But maybe they are just being shy, so I'm going to leave it here for a bit and see if they eat it when I'm gone. I think they probably will. That's actually quite a funny color of nose, isn't it? Little bit more funny than this one's nose. As we can see, Nature Chiefs, different crows have different color noses, so that's pretty interesting, isn't it? Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed learning about these ones today, the field dogs, and join me next time for some more great nature. Thank you for watching and happy nature.